整天穿着你弟弟的衣服去街上卖字，你喜欢这样的生活吗？我就愿意。
Hello friends, have a nice day. In this video, we're gonna learn beginner Chinese with a series in a class of our own. 漂亮书生 Episode 1. The link to the original video is given in the description.
你怎么知道我是要请你代考呢？
你怎么知道我是要请你代考呢？ How did you know I want you to take the exam? 怎么 means how. It also has other meanings, namely what and why. But here it means how. 请 to ask someone to do something. 代考 to take an exam on behalf of someone else. Notes. 是 is used for emphasis here. That is, even without 是, the sentence is grammatically correct. Second, ne is used to add a sense of uncertainty to questions. It's quite similar to I wonder in English. I wonder how did you know?
你怎么知道我是要请你代考呢？
明天我就去买五花肉，咱们瘦吧。去吃饭吧。先。
明天我就去买五花肉。Tomorrow, I'm gonna buy some pork belly. 五花肉 means pork belly. What's the function of 就 here? It's used to indicate the earliness of an action. That is, action happens earlier than what is expected. Let's say you expect that I'm gonna buy meat 3 days later, but I'm not gonna wait 3 days. I'm gonna buy tomorrow, earlier than what is expected. In situations like this, we use 就。咱们吃肉吧 Let's eat meat. 咱们 means we, us. We've also got 我们 which means we, us. Now, what's the difference? 咱们 always includes both the speaker and the listener. However, 我们 may or may not include the listener.
明天我就去买五花肉，咱们瘦吧。去吃饭吧。先。
公子，你有没有看到一个人？
你看到了一个人 You saw one person. How to make such a sentence into a yes-no question and ask, did you see a person? Of course, the simplest method is to add ma at the end of the sentence. 你看到了一个人吗? For sentences which have le, there are other methods to make yes-no questions. One of them being 有没有?你有没有看到一个人?
公子，你有没有看到一个人？
你不当堂生真是可惜了。
当 to be, to work as. 我想当老师 I want to be a teacher. 堂生 here it means scholar. So, 你不当堂生 what does it mean? You are not a scholar. 可惜 it's a pity. 你不当堂生真是可惜了 Word by word translation is You are not a scholar, it's really a pity.
你不当堂生真是可惜了。
欢迎再来啊，公子。
谢谢啊。
下次再来。
欢迎 means welcome. 在 It's used to indicate that an action is going to happen sometime later. 欢迎再来 Literally it means you are welcome to come later. This phrase is used especially by shopkeepers when a customer is leaving the shop. 下次 means next time. Now, 下次再来 means next time come. This phrase is similar to 欢迎再来 in usage. Shopkeepers use this phrase when the customer is leaving.
欢迎再来啊，公子。
谢谢啊。
下次再来。
Before we move on, if you like such videos, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.
如果愿意多加点钱，我让你马上看到第二次。
多加点钱, add a bit more money. Now let's take a look at the structure of the sentence. 多 plus verb plus quantity. Here the verb is 加 to add. Another example. 多吃一点, eat a little more. Quantity in this example is 一点. 多喝一杯茶, drink one more cup of tea. In this example, quantity is 一杯, 1 cup. Here's a question for you. How to say read one more book in Chinese? Write down the answer in the comment section. Watch the video until the end and you'll find the answer. 我让你马上看到第二册. I let you see the second volume immediately. 让, it has different meanings. To allow, to make, to cause. Here it means to allow. 马上, at once, immediately. 册, volume, chapter. Note, in order to make ordinal numbers, we use the structure 第 plus number, like 第三, third, 第一, first, 第20, 20th.
如果愿意多加点钱，我让你马上看到第二。
整天穿着你弟弟的衣服去街上卖字，你喜欢这样的生活吗？我就愿意。
这 is used to indicate that one action is accompanied by another action. The structure is first verb plus 这 plus second verb. First, let's see an English example. While I'm eating food, I'm reading the newspaper. In this example, eating food is accompanied by reading the newspaper. So the first verb is eating food and the second verb is reading the newspaper. Now, how to say this sentence in Mandarin Chinese? 我吃着饭看报. The first verb is 吃 to eat and the second verb is 看 to read. Now, let's get back to the sentence in the video. 整天穿着你弟弟的衣服去街上卖字. First, let's break it down. 整天 all day. 街上 in the street. 卖 to sell. 字 here it means writing, script. As you can see, in this example, the first verb is 穿 to wear. And the second verb is 去 to go. Now, word by word translation of the sentence. All day long, while wearing your brother's clothes, you go to the streets to sell writings.
整天穿着你弟弟的衣服去街上卖字，你喜欢这样的生活吗？我就愿意。
Now, let's get back to the question of this video. How to say, read one more book? The answer is 多看一本书. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.